Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Bosch Knob-Cooking Area part number 631622. The Bosch Knob-Cooking Area part number 631622 is a replacement knob for Bosch cooktops. It is designed to fit all Bosch cooktops and is made of durable plastic. The knob has a chrome finish and features a large, easy-to-grip design for comfortable use. It also has an adjustable temperature setting, allowing you to easily adjust the heat level of your cooking surface. This knob is easy to install and comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This Bosch knob is used to replace a broken or worn-out knob on a Bosch cooking area. It will fix any issues related to the knob, such as difficulty turning it, not staying in place, or not working properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the cooking area. 2. Remove the existing knob by unscrewing it from the control panel. 3. Insert the Bosch Knob-Cooking Area part number 631622 into the control panel and secure it with the included screws. 4. Turn on the power to the cooking area and test that the knob is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.